QR codes have quietly transformed the way businesses connect with customers, and now they're showing up in the most unexpected places: envelopes, packaging, and everyday marketing materials. What was once just a black and white square has become one of the most powerful tools in modern marketing. In this video, we'll explore the key benefits of adding QR codes to your physical materials and why more businesses are making the switch. The first major benefit is bridging the gap between physical and digital experiences. When a customer receives a piece of direct mail or a product package, a QR code gives them an instant gateway to your digital world. No typing required. One scan can take them to a landing page, a video, a special offer, or even a personalized message. It transforms a static piece of paper into an interactive experience. Second, QR codes make it easy to track and measure your campaigns. Unlike traditional print, which offers little insight into customer behavior, QR codes provide real-time data. You can see how many people scanned, when they scanned, and where they were when they did it. This kind of analytics helps you refine your strategy and prove ROI on your print marketing. Third, QR codes dramatically enhance customer engagement. You can use them to deliver personalized content, exclusive promotions, loyalty program signups, or product tutorials. Customers who scan are actively choosing to engage, which means they're already more interested than the average passerby. Fourth, QR codes support eco-friendly and cost-effective marketing. Instead of printing lengthy instruction manuals, catalogs, or promotional inserts, you can link to digital versions via a QR code. This reduces paper use, cuts printing costs, and keeps your information up to date without reprinting. QR codes are simple, scalable, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, adding QR codes to your envelopes, packaging, and marketing materials is an easy way to deliver more value and get more measurable results. Start small. Add a QR code to your next mailer or product package. The connection it creates between your physical brand and your digital presence might just surprise you.